Hello to everyone. So, if you have starter problems and when you try to start the engine, the starter will just spin but will not engage, then it's your starter solenoid. 100%. So, do not change the whole starter, do not buy a new starter. You can buy the solenoid itself. Or if you have someone that knows how to do it, you will have to firstly cut the edge you have to cut the edge of the solenoid. As you can see, I've made 2, 4, 6 cuts, and after that you will need to desolder because as you can see, these wires, these two wires, this and this, are going through this gap on this side, and they are soldered right here and here. You will have to desolder that first, and after you will be able to get the cap of this, the plastic cap of the solenoid out. After you cut the back side of the solenoid like I did, you'll have to grab it with this clamp, or however it's called in English, and bend it to outside because it's bent over this plastic cap in order not to come out. You need to bend it in the outside. Don't forget, desolder these two wires first, leave the cap, and here you will find the problem, and it's fixable if you have time and the needed tools to do this yourself. It takes like 1.5 to 2 hours if you want to do it properly, and if you want to clean your starter as well, to clean the dust, the debris, to put grease on the needed parts, like on the gear of the starter. If possible, clean it with some WD-40 and put new grease, put copper grease if possible. It's anti-seize grease. It's also used for brake pads. And after you manage to open the starter, just as you can see, I already started to clean one of the sides. It was like this before. I'll clean it a bit more until this fry mark here will not be visible anymore. So because of this corrosion, and it's actually fried because of high voltage, because this side it's exposed many times on here, and the voltage passes through this plate from this to this, from this to this. So this plate it's used to pass all the amperes through it, so that's why it's getting fried like this. After a while you'll have to clean it, or if possible, and it depends what country are you from, because in America you can easily find these are spare parts, so consider you can find this and change this, and the two connectors you can buy new ones from shop and just change them. Otherwise, the second option is to clean them. It's almost same thing. It will be a good thing if you will be able to buy this thing, but for this type of solenoid to be exactly the same, but to be like uh, high copper content, because this is brass, is not copper. As you can see, my old solenoid, it was the original one. It was copper, is not red color, it's more yellow. What's the difference between these two? This is an original, this is an aftermarket, so the quality it's not very good. So thanks for watching, hope you learned something from this. Sorry for my English, I know it's not perfect, I sometimes struggle to find my words because I don't speak English every day, so that's all. Thank you.